The power of rest, unlocking your potential. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but essential English phrase, get plenty of rest. This phrase is not only a piece of advice but also a key to better health and productivity. Let's explore why it's so important and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Get plenty of rest is a friendly suggestion that emphasizes the importance of taking a break and allowing your body and mind to recover from fatigue or stress. It's often used by someone who cares about your well-being, such as a friend, family member, or doctor. When we say plenty, we mean a sufficient or large amount of something. In this case, rest. So, the phrase encourages you to ensure you're getting enough sleep or downtime. Rest is crucial for our physical and mental health. It allows our body to repair itself, our mind to unwind, and improves our overall performance in daily activities. When someone tells you to get plenty of rest, they're essentially looking out for your health. It's advice that's especially relevant when you're sick, stressed, or have been working hard. You can use get plenty of rest in various situations where you want to show care and concern for someone's well-being. It's perfect for when someone is not feeling well or is sick, after someone has had a long day or is going through a stressful period, when advising someone who is preparing for a big event, like an exam or a performance, to ensure they're at their best. If you want to vary your language or make your advice more specific, there are several alternatives to get plenty of rest. Some of these include, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Take it easy and relax. Don't forget to rest up. Each of these phrases offers a slightly different nuance but carries the same caring message. Remember, getting plenty of rest is not just about sleeping well. It's about giving your body and mind the time they need to recover and thrive. Whether you're advising someone else or reminding yourself, it's a phrase that holds the key to better health and happiness. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using the phrase, get plenty of rest. Stay healthy, and take care.